So if you have heard of the word backtesting in Forex, it just simply means going back in time to test your trading strategy if it's accurate or not. How good is your strategy? How good is your method of trading? Your method of trading just simply means what do you look out for before you place a buy or sell? Your trend line, your support and resistance. Do you use indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, RSI, Ichimoku cloud, and so on? Are you an indicator-based strategist, or you trade the price action? Price action just means using your normal trend line, psychological levels, chart patterns, and so on, candlestick formations, right? So today we'll be going to the charts. I use this platform called Go Charting because you can backtest for free on Go Charting. You can backtest for free over there, but it is limited. Okay, if you're not able to purchase or upgrade your plan on TradingView, you can use gocharting.com to backtest for free. You can also download their app as well too. So I'll be using Go Charting as our backtesting tool. Okay, so we'll be going to the charts to learn how to backtest. And what my method of trading is by using price action, which means I'll be drawing my psychological levels, identifying my trend lines, identifying patterns in the market, also monitoring my candlestick formations, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, tweezer tops, and so on. Okay, so that's just the basic method of trading. So I won't be saying much in this video. I will just go to the charts on GBP USD 15 minutes time frame. I'll shrink the charts, go back in time, and press the replay tool, so in order for us to start backtesting. Okay, so that's just what I'll be doing. So you just have to monitor my moves, like what I'll be doing. Okay, so my risk to reward should be 1:2 or 1:3, and I'll be risking the maximum stop loss will be 20 pips. The minimum should be 10 pips or less. 10 pips or less, and then my target should be, like I said, 1:2. Okay, so if I'm risking 20 pips, I'll be looking for 40 pips. If I'm risking 15 pips, I should be looking for 30 pips, and so on. All right, so that's just about it, and then let's just head on and get started. Okay, so brothers and sisters in the Lord, we are on gocharting.com, and this is GBP USD. We're on the 15 minutes time frame, and as I said, my method of trading is by using the trend lines, psychological levels, chart patterns, candlestick formations, and Fibonacci retracement. All right, so I have to see at least 3 confirmations or 2 confirmations before I take a position, and I'll be using my long position tool for the buys and my short position tool for sales. Okay, so I hope you understand. So just follow closely what I will be doing. So right now I will shrink the charts this way, and then I'll start going back in time to